Hey, Mailbag 33-ish. And happy Leap Day, February 29, 2024. And I've got 3 packages here. One I had to open up to get to more packages. But then I had this other thought. Let's see. Big Clive's got his soda machine. A pile of stuff has his beer. Or if he's on call, something else. And here I've got a little Martini glass. I picked this up at the local thrift store. It holds 2 liters. Let's bring it back a bit. It's 32 inches tall. I don't believe 1 drink a day is a good idea. So, back to the electronics. Well, I'm going to start with this one here. I know what it is. And spoiler. It's another light meter. And I bought this one. This was let's see, $14.07 from AliExpress. I'll put the information around here somewhere. And let's see, what's it need for batteries? Okay, I'm gonna go find some. Okay, got some batteries. And read 0. Good, I got the cap on. Let me go grab my other one. This one here I bought a while back, Mailbag 28-ish, and it's from Neward. So let's turn it on. Make sure I'm in focus there. 0. Take that off. Take this off. Let's see how close they are. 475, 430. So there's a bit of a difference. This one here, the one from AliExpress. Okay, that was $14.07. I think I already said that. And this one here from Newart was $20.39. So I figured I'd have a couple. That way I could just do a quick comparison. Now let me get these out of the way. And save that one for last. It's the most expensive item here. So, on these ones, one of those, and I'll be putting the information up there randomly, and another one of them. I bought 2. You've probably seen these already. What you do is use the little spoon, put some salt in a container, plug this into 5 volts, and it essentially creates bleach, sodium hypochlorite. And these things both had really good descriptions. Disinfected water maker, home, generator, sodium hypochlorite, hospital. I think they got the words all covered in there. Now you're wondering probably, is this place so bad that I need multiple bleach creators? No. What I'm going to actually use these for, let me get this stuff out of the way. It's for what's in here. Let me grab a handy dandy. So, oops, I see. The little band holds it together also. Okay. So what these here are, well, they're the electrodes. One's going to be the anode, one's going to be the cathode. But what I'm going to use these for, and it's on the internet in quite a few places, is for making some chlorates. I grow crystals. Harmless crystals, though chlorates aren't totally harmless, but that's the purpose of these ones. And to give you an idea on some crystals, this here, hopefully it's focused. So here's some previous crystals I made. And these are just hot pours where you take the bismuth, melt it down, let it start to cool, then you pour off the top, and these crystals have formed. Now for using these for making chlorates, something like potassium chlorate, you just put it in potassium chloride solution and then run some juice through it for a while. The other precipitates out, and then what you can do is take those crystals and then do a recrystallization to make bigger crystals. I'm not creating fireworks. Now, this one though, along the same line, they are called, and I gotta look at this thing, this is a long name too, titanium, anode, rhodium, jewelry, plating, plater, and they say it is 0.5 probably of a millimeter by, let's see, 10, 20, 30, well that ain't 50, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So their size on their adds off a tiny bit. I'm not going to be too worried about that. Same idea as, so you use one as an anode and another one as a cathode, and run electricity and create things to make more crystals. Those will be separate videos coming up. Everything's falling over. Now, the expensive thing. Gas detector. Let's see here. Yeah, I might have to charge this thing. So, this one here is a 4-component gas detector. It measures H2S from 0 to 100 parts per million. That doesn't sound right. Okay, cut and paste. Haven't got a clue. What the ad said was H2S from 0 to 100 parts per million, O2 up to 30% volume, carbon monoxide 1,000 parts per million, and explosive gases up to 100%. Now, I'm not sure how they do that one, since you need to know what the gas is. It might be that you can program this thing. The reason I bought it, though, was the oxygen part. Okay. Same to you, machine. Okay, this is going to take a while to figure out. But the reason I got it was for the oxygen part. What I want to do is make some of my own oxygen scrubbers so that if I'm storing things like flour or crackers or whatever in packages. I can make my own oxygen absorber using something probably like steel wool and salt. Put it in a little container, stick it in with all the other stuff, and see how it goes. But obviously, this is going to take a while to figure out. I may or may not have edited out a whole bunch of stuff before this, but now I'm starting to get the idea. These are the components. The first one could be anything. It could be probably the explosive level. No, it would be possibly H2S or CO. This one here would be oxygen. Ditto, I don't know which one this one is. It could either be H2S or carbon monoxide. And since this is LEL, I'm going to assume that's explosion limit. Now I can probably test that out by... Yes. Okay, explosion limit. Hey. So that one's got that one. It gives you a warning. I wonder which one of these. Looks like it's this sensor here. I guess I just blew up. Oh well. And let's see. CO, I'd have to actually burn something improperly. I don't have any H2S. But as I said, oxygen. That's what I got it for. And what did I pay for this thing? Too bad they didn't have an English version. $100.40. I got this on Amazon since I wanted to make sure I got it. Total was $102.30. So that's it for this one, though I'm probably going to be re-editing this one. So there's everything that came in this one. And one of the next videos coming up will be on this little critter. An integrating Nephelometer. Something everybody has to have in their own house. It'll be interesting if I can get one of these working. I actually got 5 of them from BC Auction. And it basically is for detecting how much garbage is in the air, as in particles. So, see you later.